Hello, here in this lecture I explain how to closing strategy with percentage TP and SL with a take profit and SL based on percentage. Okay, for example, after 2% increasing close position. Okay, it's our TP. And this tutorial is for pyramiding one, not more than. For more than I explain in another video. Okay, we add an input TP input dot float and input dot float, for example 5, and we divide these to 100 to have a percentage. Okay, and an SL input dot float, for example 2 divided to 100. Okay, so if a strategy that no need we write here directly, a strategy dot exit C long here is really okay. C long, and from it is long, then we add limit. Okay, we add limit, not profit. Profit calculate based on ticks, not price. So limit, so we need to get a last trade entry, last open trade entry. So last open trade entry strategy dot open trades dot entry price. To get last one, we write again strategy dot open trades minus 1. Okay, it's give us last open trades entry price, last open trade entry price. Okay, so for example here it give us this entry price to us. Okay, so we write this, we write last open trade entry plus, because we use long, we want to close a long position, so last open trade minus multiply TP RTP. Okay, and for a stop we copy this, we does here minus, and here we write SL. Okay, let's update it on chart. Yeah, here I should add if you okay is 2%. 2% is our SL for buy, and 5%, yeah, 5% for TP. Okay, so it's correct. Okay, so limit, so here we added entry price plus entry price multiply RTP. Okay, and entry price minus entry price multiply our SL for a stop. For short position is we reverse it. Here we add minus instead price instead plus, and replace here minus 2 plus. as you see here, nice. Yeah, is also 2 is also 2 as you see as a stop loss, and it's also correct for sell.